Imagine a place where success surrounds you.
Where your hard work isn't just rewarded, but transformed into real opportunities.
Imagine learning from experts who do not just teach. They open your mind to what's next.
A place where support is always there and learning goes beyond the ordinary.
In our iLead Lab and Red Hub, ideas become action. Students gain the skills to lead, innovate, and create lasting impact.
Here, dreams are shaped and success is more than just a destination. It's a journey we walk together. This is Regent Business School, surrounding you with success. Ready to begin?